One thing none of us ever manages to outgrow is making mistakes. It's part of life. In fact, making mistakes is how we learn. Touch a hot stove once, you'll never touch it again, right? Mistake made. Lesson learned. Older adults know mistakes are not only inevitable, but they can also be inherent livable. Having the wisdom to learn from mistakes can help you go from victim to victor and from faulty to strategic. Failing forward means learning to adapt favorably to change, learning to build healthy stores of resistance, and learning to be resilient in the face of adversity. People who found success later in life know another important thing about mistakes. They know how to use a mistake to propel them towards success. While the wisdom that comes with age doesn't mean you'll never make another mistake, it does mean you can learn to turn a stumbling block into a stepping stone and a catastrophe into a catalyst to drive you towards success. What are you going to do with them? That's one of the most important questions in life. Your chance of success has little to do with your age. It's shaped by your willingness to try repeatedly for a breakthrough. It's never too late to learn, too late to grow, too late to choose yourself, too late to fail forward. Don't let age stop you. What are you planning to do with all the precious time ahead of you? So it's never too late to fail forward towards your success. Please like and subscribe.